A warm welcome to all my limitless family. In today's video, amplify love energy. If you are in no contact, or if you are struggling to manifest marriage with your partner, or if you are on a lookout on having your future partner, this powerful love letter visualization will connect your hearts. So let's get started on this love letter to my future partner, a very magical guided meditation, a journey for love and connection. Take a moment, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Slow breathe in and exhale gently. Imagine your perfect partner standing right in front of you. Warm, loving, full of hope. See their eyes lit up as they read these heartfelt words, the special letter, love letter. Experiencing the love and connection blooming between you both. And there is no space of self-doubt. Allow your heart to sail through this visualization and knowing that it has already been done. Let this vision fill you with peace and anticipation. Visualize a moment that you have already written this love letter, and now your perfect partner, your future partner, or your life partner is reading this love letter. And here it starts. My dear love, today is a perfect day of our hearts blooming in harmony. The wait was worth every moment. Having you walked into my life with open arms. You came without barriers, holding faith in us and staying hopeful through every moment. I carry this deep pride in my heart for having you, my sweetheart. A precious soul who makes me shine like a diamond. Our together moments sparkle, turning ordinary days into magic. At every sunrise reminds me of the blessed gift of your love. I forgive my past wounds, my failures, my mistakes, for they have led me to cherish every bit of who I am. Thank you for being that support, for healing my soul, for making each day brighter and every moment sweeter. I love you more than words could say. In every smile and every tear, you are my forever. Our life together is a dance of grace and joy. A journey of blooming hearts in love that nurtures and unites us together. Thank you, my love, for sharing this journey. Can't wait to see you soon. Love you. Now, take another deep breath in. And slowly exhale. Feel the calm that comes with knowing you're loved and you're complete. Picture yourself with your partner, hand in hand, sharing gentle smile. Experience the warmth on having them together here. Embrace the shining eyes filled with love, reading this love letter. Let's repeat this affirmation with me. I'm sorry for any hurt, my dear darling. Please forgive me. Thank you, my love. I love you, and I know you do love me. Let these words settle in your heart like a soothing melody. Hold on to this vision of togetherness and allow your heart to feel lighter and merge into this beautiful energy of togetherness. You already are feeling the negative energy fading away, replaced by a radiant, loving bond that unites you both. Slowly bring your attention back to this present moment and carry this love in you, knowing that every day is magical because of the love that you share, and this love will give you both a journey to keep on walking together, keep on moving forward together. As we are end to this meditation, take one last deep breath. Inhale love and exhale all your doubts. Visualize your partner feeling love within them, excited to meet you, to express how much you mean and add meaning into their life. Just the way you are feeling excited on meeting them. Remember, love is the bridge that heals, bonds, and transforms every moment into magic. Keep blooming. Keep loving yourself, this journey, and knowing that love is right here in this very moment. Repeat this meditation for 30 days continuous to instill this love, beautiful energies into your heart. Come back tomorrow and may your heart always be open and your days filled with the beauty of true and endless love. limitless love. Stay limitless. Don't limit your success. Thank you so much, everyone. Me, Naisha Neha. I wish you all lots of love. I use this technique thinking how I can use it in my life, and I thought of gifting you guys first. So let me know in the comments below how special did you feel about this technique, and do remember to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for all the notification from this channel, and share with all your loved ones who are in need of love and who are doubting the love that they are carrying. Give them right now. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you, and I love you all. Love is right here in your heart. Love is right here. Love you.